it's your boy Nico the Barber, and today we are back with yet another video. So guys, I'm sure you saw in today's title, today we will be unboxing the Wahl 100 year anniversary limited edition clippers. Like guys, I'm super excited to actually unbox this clipper. I'm just super excited to finally use this clipper. It's just been chilling here at home the whole week. I've been procrastinating actually recording this unboxing video. I didn't want to use it until I unboxed it. Nonetheless, I also want to change the blade on it because I know they usually come with taper blades, and I feel like it will perform much better with the fade blade. But nonetheless, if you are new to the channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Most importantly, leave a like, and guys, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the content. Let me not waste any more time. I'm super excited to unbox this clipper with you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's finally unbox this bad boy. Straight into this unboxing. As you can see, it comes in a really cool packaging. So first things first, we're gonna get it out of the packaging, and boom, there you have it. It's your 100-year anniversary clipper. Like I said, the packaging for this one is super dope. It did take me a while to actually open it up, but nonetheless, as you can see, we got it opened up. So right here, what you get is a stainless steel clipper. It has a very good weight to it. The lever is quite sturdy. Really nice design. It has a very solid switch to it as well. Like I said, the lever is quite sturdy. I said that I would like to switch the blade from being a taper blade to a fade blade, so I will do so. And as you can see, in the box you get a charger, you get a few manuals, and these manuals, it basically just tells you about the clipper, how to use it. And there's another manual, and right here I see you get a really dope note with it. It's a small thank you message, and on that card there's multiple languages. And what I really like about this is you get a really dope cloth with it to make sure that your clipper stays shining. As you can see, you can give your clipper a nice polish using this cloth. You have a blade cover, and then as always with every clipper, as you can see, you get a small oil as well as a brush to make sure that you keep the blades nice and clean. And guys, that's about it. And here you go. This is everything you get with your 100-year anniversary watch.